Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show to you guys how to make a YouTube video full screen. So we're here right now. Typically when you're watching on a mobile phone, for example, this video over here, this is what you're going to see. A portrait mode of watching your YouTube videos. Now to be able to watch this in landscape, let's wait for the ads to go away. Let's skip this, there we go. In order to be able to watch your videos in landscape, you will be able to see over here on the bottom right side of your watch screen, on the bottom section, you can simply see a box over here. And if you click that, it would turn your video into a landscape mode or full screen mode if you prefer the term. Then you can simply watch it as it is. And if you want to put it back, you can either click on the button again, or you can click on the down icon on the top right, but it's still going to be a landscape mode. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.